Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my own personal experience using HyperWrite. In this HyperWrite AI tool review, we're diving deep into my usage experience and exploring how this powerful AI tool can supercharge your productivity and unleash your creativity. HyperWrite uses artificial intelligence to generate text, and you can find links to the product in the description below if you'd like to explore it yourself. Let's get started with a look at its features, who it's designed for, and my personal take on using it. HyperWrite is an AI-powered writing assistant built to empower content creators, marketers, and anyone who needs top-notch written content quickly. This versatile tool offers a range of features, from automatic text generation and idea suggestions to writing assistance and even a rephrasing tool to make your writing more captivating. Integrating it into your workflow is seamless, whether you're crafting emails, blog posts, social media updates, or even working on creative writing projects. The user-friendly interface is available both as a web application and a handy browser extension, providing convenient access in various situations. One of HyperWrite's most impressive features is its ability to generate contextually appropriate content based on simple prompts. You provide the input, and the AI intelligently interprets the tone and style you're aiming for, offering suggestions that feel specifically tailored to your needs. The rephrasing feature is a lifesaver for anyone battling writer's block or seeking to enhance the flow and clarity of their writing. It also includes a long-form writing option that helps you construct entire articles, saving you valuable time and effort. So, who is this tool truly designed for? If you're a content creator, blogger, or even a business owner striving to streamline your content creation process, HyperWrite can be a true game-changer. It's perfect for anyone looking to boost both the efficiency and quality of their writing. In my personal experience, HyperWrite delivers exceptional results. The generated content is remarkably accurate, the suggestions are on point, and it significantly reduces the time I spend on writing tasks. Overall, HyperWrite is a premium AI writing tool that can dramatically elevate your writing process. If you're intrigued and want to give it a try, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below.